time it is. It's time for the nyamins. Let's get into the recipe. Let's make this amazing zucchini bread. Zucchini has never tasted so good before, you won't even believe it. Please to note that all that I'll be using will be in the description below, so go ahead and check out the recipe. So here I have some walnuts. I'm gonna go ahead and chop them into small pieces, but you don't have to use walnuts. You can use any nuts of your choice, or if you're not a fan of nuts, you can just do without. And after this, I'm gonna go ahead and grate my zucchini. So we're gonna use a total of 2 cups of zucchinis. I can see that this is more than 2 cups, so I'm gonna leave some behind. You know, I can use the rest to make an omelette, or I can make some zucchini fritters, something of that sort. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to our next step. Now gonna go in with 2 eggs. Next I'm going in with the sugar. I'm using brown sugar and light brown sugar because that's how I had it. And I'm just gonna give it a quick whisk before we add any other ingredients. Next I'm gonna go in with our vegetable oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. I'm now gonna go ahead and add some milk. I'm using whole milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. Here I'm going in with some vanilla paste, but you can use vanilla essence, of course. And I'm just gonna give this a quick whisk. It's time to add our dry ingredients to our wet, and I'm going in with the flour here. I'm gonna sieve it to remove any lumps or clumps. Now I'm going in with some cinnamon powder. Next I'm going in with some salt, some baking powder, some baking soda, and some nutmeg, and I'm just gonna mix it in. We're gonna go ahead and give it a quick mix, and next we're going in with our zucchini and our nuts. And guys, try not to over mix your batter because that will result in a dense bread, and you don't want that. So that should be enough now. And guys, I'm telling you, this recipe, you will absolutely love it. Personally, I'm not a fan of zucchini, but I'm telling you, I can eat this zucchini bread any and every time. Trust me, it's really good. It really amazed me. When I first heard about it, I was saying hell no, but I'm telling you, don't knock it until you try it. This here oven should be already preheated, and we're gonna bake our zucchini bread for about 50 to 60 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, or until a toothpicks come out clean. So here I have my baking tin. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with a baking spray, but if you don't have a baking spray, you can line it with some parchment paper, or you can just use some oil to grease your tin properly. It's time to go in with the batter, and if you have reached thus far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Remember to share with your friends and family, and if you're new on my channel, please don't leave without clicking that subscribe button. Remember to click that notification bell that says all, so whenever I make a new upload, you will be notified. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this little mess here. I'm gonna give the pan a quick top to remove any air bubbles, and into the oven it goes. After 1 hour, this is what our zucchini bread looks like. Amazing. Isn't that beautiful? I'm just gonna let it cool, and then I cut into this deliciousness. Moment of truth. Guys, it is flavorful, moist. This bread is everything. Look at the beauty. Lovely. Guys, please to try the recipe, and when you do, I want to hear back from you. Comment below and let me know how was it. Look at the texture. You can see that it's moist. And that's just about it for today, guys. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for your tremendous support. See you in my next video. Bye.